इसलिए थोड़ा ये हो रही है।
गेट टुगेदर होगा मैम तो बिल्कुल।
हाँ हाँ, जरूर जरूर, जब हम एक साथ होंगे तो बहुत ही बातें होंगी, बहुत बहुत। करण, फिर हर्षित, फिर अमित, आप और शिखा, सब सब मिल जाएंगे एक बार, एक दिन।
बिल्कुल मैम।
हाँ, ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। अमित का इंतजार करते हैं या शुरू करते हैं?
मैम आई थिंक वी वेट फॉर।
Yeah, it is good to wait for him for some time so that we can go together. एक साथ चलना बेहतर है, तो देखते हैं। पर वो अभी आएगा या 20 को आएगा ये पता नहीं है, क्योंकि वो ऑफिस में 9:15 बजे के बाद ही ऑफिस से घर को आता है, इसलिए। अच्छा, फिर भी देख लेते हैं, 1 मिनट थोड़ा वेट करके देख लेते हैं। कोई होमवर्क दिया था मैंने आप लोगों को, तब तक थोड़ा होमवर्क कर देख लेते हैं, ठीक है? या एनी होमवर्क आई गेव? Any homework if I gave, then please let me know first. What's the?
I think in the group you gave some translation.
Yeah, translations I gave, but these translations have you done, all of you?
Yeah मैम।
Very good. So before giving this translation, did I give you anything to do in the homework?
मैम what?
Before giving these translations, did I give you anything to do?
You gave ma'am some 10 forms, 12 tense forms.
Yeah,
In
tense
Hindi or in
forms.
English?
Yeah, tense forms I gave. So, can you tell me which verb we have taken today, and please let me know.
Ma'am, my verb is win.
Win. Okay, let me listen. Please tell me.
Okay ma'am. Ma'am, both Hindi or English?
Yes, Hindi and English both you have to say.
Okay ma'am. My verb is win. And first present simple tense, मैं जीता, I win. Present continuous tense, मैं जीत रहा हूँ, I am winning. Present perfect tense, मैं जीत चुका हूँ, I have won. Present perfect continuous tense, मैं 2 दिन से जीत रहा हूँ, I have been winning since 2 days. Second past simple tense, मैं जीता था, I won. मैं जीत रहा था, I was winning. Past perfect tense, मैं जीत चुका था, I had won. And past perfect continuous tense, मैं 2 दिन से जीत रहा था, I had been winning since 2 days. Third is future simple tense, मैं जीतूंगा, I will win. Future continuous tense, मैं जीत रहा हूँगा, I will be winning. Future perfect tense, मैं जीत चुका हूँगा, I will have won. And future perfect continuous tense, मैं 2 दिन से जीत चुका हूँगा, I will be winning since 2 days.
I will have been winning.
Winning since 2 days.
Very good. Very nice. Now Karan, please tell me your answer. आपने लिखा है?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, please tell me.
Okay ma'am, so my verb is play.
Okay.
And first in present simple, I play, मैं खेलता हूँ. Second, present continuous, मैं खेल रहा हूँ, I am playing. Present perfect, मैं खेल चुका हूँ, I have played. And present perfect continuous, मैं 2 दिनों से खेल रहा हूँ, I have been playing for 2 days. Past simple, मैं खेला था, means
मैंने खेला था, मैंने.
Okay मैम. Past simple, मैंने खेला था, I played. Past continuous, मैं खेल रहा था, I was playing. Past perfect, मैं खेल चुका था, I had played. And past perfect continuous, मैं पिछले 3 दिनों से खेल रहा था, I had been playing for last 2 days. Future simple, मैं खेला था।
3 दिनों से आपने बोला है 3 days और 2 days?
मैम नो मैम, पिछले 3 दिनों से, पिछले हैं
Then for last 3 days you told?
या मैम,
Okay, very good.
या फ्यूचर सिंपल, मैं खेलूंगा। आई विल प्ले। फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस, मैं खेल रहा हूँगा। आई विल बी प्ले। फ्यूचर परफेक्ट,
I will be playing.
सॉरी मैम, आई विल बी प्लेइंग, या मैम। फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, मैं खेल चुका हूँगा। आई विल हैव बीन प्लेड।
I will have played. खेल रहा हूँगा।
ओह मैम सॉरी, आई विल हैव प्लेड, सॉरी।
खेल चुका हूँगा। I will have played.
ओके मैम। फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस, मैं खेल रहा हूँगा। आई विल, मैं पिछले 2 दिनों से खेल रहा हूँगा। आई विल हैव बीन प्लेइंग फॉर लास्ट 2 days.
Very good, very good. Archana ma'am, please tell me your answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My word is win. Present indefinite tense, I win. मैं जीतती हूँ. Present imperfect, I am winning. मैं जीत रही हूँ.
Present continuous.
Present continuous. वही present continuous. मैं जीत रही हूँ. I am winning. Present perfect, I have won. मैं जीत चुकी हूँ. Present perfect continuous. I have been winning for 2 days. मैं 2 दिनों से जीतती आ रही हूँ. In past tense, past indefinite, I won. मैं जीत गई. Past continuous tense, I was winning. मैं जीत रही थी. Past perfect, I had won. मैं जीत चुकी थी. Past perfect continuous tense, I had been winning for 2 days. मैं 2 दिनों से जीतती आ रही थी. In future tense, future indefinite, I will won. मैं जीतूंगी. Future continuous tense, I will be winning. मैं जीत रही होंगी. Future perfect, I will have won. मैं जीत चुकी होंगी. Future perfect continuous tense, I will have been winning for 2 days. मैं 2 दिनों से जीतती आ चुकूंगी.
Very good. Very perfect. Everybody has done their homework. It is very good news. Very good news. That means you are giving the time to your spoken English target. That means you want to get the language easier, and that's why you are giving time. That's really very awesome. Very good. So today's word, every day one word, one new word we'll be learning. Okay, every day we shall be learning one new word, and the words will be one word every day. So today's word is, please write voracious.
Vocabulary.
Yes, vocabulary. Please write down voracious. V-O.
मैं
Yes, Harshit. Please tell me.
VO.
V for van.
VO.
VORA.
Sorry.
CIOUS.
Voracious.
And what Mauritius?
Voracious.
V for van. V for van.
Yeah.
V for victory.
Okay, ma'am.
Voracious. And after making it, you will make a sentence. Okay. So meaning is, voracious meaning is, you can write enthusiastic means utsahi, very matlab enthusiastic or excited. You can write anything. Enthusiastic, if you do not write, then you can write excited.
No, what is the spelling of enthusiast?
Enthusiastic means ENTHUSIASTIC. enthusiastic बहुत ही उत्साही, मतलब जोशीला, बहुत ही जोशीला. यू कैन राइट जोशीला you can write in Hindi. That will help you to understand the meaning more easier. Joshila, voracious, excited. So what does it mean? Excited means you write Elon Musk. Do you know Elon Musk?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Elon Musk. Elon Musk spelling you do you know? ELON, Elon Musk, 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 Musk. Elon Musk is a voracious reader. इलॉन मस्क एक बहुत ही जोशीले आदमी हैं जो पढ़ते हैं, बुक्स को पढ़ते हैं और पढ़कर इन पर एक्शन लेते हैं. मतलब जोशीला मीन्स व्हाट? दैट मीन्स एनर्जेटिक. मतलब जो काम, मतलब एक काम है वो करके ही वो दम लेता है, करके ही वो उसका आंसर ढूंढ के ही वो दम लेता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड वोरेशियस.
I think you are wrong.
What is the meaning then?
No, ma'am. He is not voracious for reading.
Yeah, Elon Musk. About Elon Musk you are telling.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are saying so?
Because he only got excited for its next invention. He accepted in one interview that he didn't loves to read.
No, he is a very good reader. He is, whatever he has done in his life by reading the books. If you are telling that he is the CEO of SpaceX, then he has read plenty of books according to the regarding the space, regarding the rocket science and all, everything. And after that he has taken all the things in actions, and after that he got his name. Simply because we are reading the books only, simply we are reading, okay, this is the book we have to read, but we are not taking actions. But this is not like that. The successful people, they are reading the books and taking actions of what are the books they are reading. That's why they are different from others.
But what he is doing, ma'am, because SpaceX, the company SpaceX, ma'am, its share was going down to down.
It is not the down and up. It is a company. It will go up. Sometimes it will go down. It is not a matter. Matter is he is working.
7 to 8 months. I'm seeing in digital marketing that it is down. It is going down.
It is not about going down. It is not about going his that means company going down and up. It is about the reading, about his habit. About of reading the books, I am telling. Okay, that is the thing. So, Archana ma'am, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please make a sentence with voracious.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
One by one, tell me the answer.
Okay, my sentence is: I am very voracious for the next IPL match.
You voracious, it is voracious.
Voracious. I am very voracious for the next IPL match.
Okay, very good. Next, Harshit, tell me.
I am very voracious for learn to spoken English.
For learning. Learning English.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Archana ma'am, please tell me your answer.
I am very voracious to fulfill my dream.
Very good. Nice sentence. All of you have done a very good sentence. Exact word it will be, you have used it. Very good. Excellent, all of you.